rooted in restoration. What if resilience is not built through exhaustion, but through restoration? For many NAS leaders, resilience is often misunderstood. It is celebrated as endurance, as pushing through, as carrying more, doing more, and continuing no matter the cost. And while perseverance matters, resilience is not simply the ability to endure depression. True resilience grows differently. It grows through recovery. It grows through renewal. It grows through honoring the rhythms that allow leaders to remain healthy, clear, and effective over time. Because even the strongest leaders require restoration, not after they break, but as part of how they stay strong. Point for today. Resilience isn't pushing through. It's knowing when to rest, renew. It's not the grind, the endless test, but rising from a place of rest. The strongest roots aren't hard or fast. They are deep and steady, built to last. Your healing isn't weakness shown, it's how your truest strength is grown. The leaders who endure are not always the ones who push the hardest. Often, they're the ones who understand renewal. They know when to pause, when to recover, and when to replenish the energy required for meaningful leadership. Because resilience is not the absence of fatigue. It is the presence of restoration, and what is restored cannot continue to grow. Here are 3 ways to strengthen resilience through restoration. First, identify one area where you've been relying on endurance rather than renewal. Notice it honestly. Second, create one intentional act of restoration today. Protect it as seriously as any professional commitment. Third, redefine resilience for yourself. Let it include recovery, healing, and sustainable strength. Resilience is not rooted in constant effort. It's rooted in restoration. And what is restored is built to last. Lead boldly, inspire deeply, impact globally.